We've brought together 50 bankruptcy attorneys, one from every state.
Can I keep my car?
What about my house?
Can I rebuild my credit? How do I ace my 341 meeting?
Whether you're drowning in debt or just treading water, our panel is here to handle the questions that keep you up at night. Real answers from lawyers who do this every day. If you want to be connected with a lawyer in your state for a free consultation, see the link in the description.
You know, there's a lot of misconceptions about life after bankruptcy. Once you receive your discharge, that is such a relief. I sent out an email to my clients immediately upon getting the discharge because that's the reason we filed Chapter 7 bankruptcy. The discharge means you are debt-free. All those debts that you had that were suing you, calling you, garnishing you are gone forever. So it's just a sense of relief. And then right after that, the mission is to rebuild, which our clients are reporting 12 to 18 months to rebuild their credit, including getting cars, getting mortgages, buying houses, living a normal life, living something they could not have done if they did not receive that discharge. The biggest misconception that my clients have is that bankruptcy is a death sentence to your credit. And when clients come into my office, I always say, well, what's your credit score now? They're usually 400, 500. I had one client that didn't even have a credit score. Their credit was so bad. And they still were concerned about their credit. And for most of my clients, it actually helps their credit score. The bankruptcy helps their credit score, which blows their mind, but their credit is so bad that nobody's going to lend to them right now. When I'm done, they receive their discharge. They have lenders literally mailing them offers the day after their discharge. Another thing that people don't realize is if you want to qualify for a mortgage and you want to own a home, sometimes bankruptcy is the best way to do that because first, you're able to save up for a down payment because you don't have all those minimum payments that you're making. Second, FHA mortgages in a Chapter 7, 24 months after filing, you can get an FHA mortgage. People don't realize that is a government mandate. 24 months, not 7 years, not 10 years, not 30 years. I've heard all these stories. It's 24 months. And private mortgages, even less than that. So getting your discharge and then getting a mortgage is a real thing. The emotional impact of receiving that discharge, I've had clients literally crying in my office because they never thought they would be debt-free. And just the emotion of that, the sleepless nights, the stress on the family, because finances lead to divorce, lead to health issues, all of that being released. It's the reason I practice bankruptcy. It really is. I love seeing the emotional impact and change in individuals where they have hope again, where when they first come to meet with me, they think that there's no option for them.
Bankruptcy Explained makes educational bankruptcy videos, and we have many resources to help you on your debt relief journey, including the free ebook, Life After Discharge. All resources are in the description.